Hey guys, so today I'm going to show you how to lock the rear screen on a Rivian R1S or R1T. So that tutorial is coming up. So in our case, we've got a toddler who sits in the back and she can kick the rear screen. So it changes, the AC and the radio and all that. So it's pretty simple. If you want to lock it so they can't mess around with it, or maybe you don't want anybody touching it, is if you just go up to the top here to the car button, the car icon, you want to hit that. And not on the access screen, but on the shortcut screen here, it's just rear display. You just have to tap it once and it's locked. And then to unlock it, same thing, you just hit it again and it unlocks. So that's really it. Let me just show you from the back what it looks like when it's locked and unlocked, but that's a tutorial. That's how you do that if you need to do that. So if you look from the back here, here's what the screen looks like when it's unlocked. So if we lock the screen, then it just goes to this, basically it just tells you the time and it says screen locked up here. So if you touch it, Gary just comes up and that's it. So if we go back to unlock, then it comes back and you have all your controls that you need for whatever you want. So that's what the back looks like. If that tutorial is helpful, let me know in the comments, and thanks for watching.